Yep. Midweek update, and we're gonna dive straight in. We ain't gonna play around. Now, as we all know, my analysis for what the market was going to do was always bearish. I was always looking at this move to the downside as impulsive, breaking monthly structure here, and then all of this bullish price action here is just a retracement inside of this impulsive bearish move for price to get here, start breaking down to give us the continuation to the downside. And for months, this has been it. I've been, you know, um, analyzing and dropping videos of all of this bullishness. And then price got here. And it was just last week with the price action that the market encountered. It had me looking at this or looking at what was happening as if price was going to um, push through and break this resistance, this monthly structure, and proceed higher. Um, and then now, with the price action that the market has encountered up until this point, I've come to the realization that my analysis of what I've been seeing the market is going to do has actually been correct, and the market is doing exactly what I've said for months that price was going to do when we got here. So as you can see on the monthly time frame, boom, boom, impulsive, breaking this monthly structure, monthly bullish structure, disrespecting that, making this monthly structure now to the downside, impulsive, corrective, continuation. All right. So now, of course, scale in. And we see price pushed up, and we want to see price start breaking down here in this resistance zone, respecting this monthly structure. And price has been respecting this weekly high here. And right here. So that being said, we know this is the most recent swing here. We're in the midst of this, the price came down, so bought here. So this right here is weekly structure because price is creating weekly higher highs here. We are in the midst of price creating weekly higher highs from this higher low swing point. And now price is here. Let's see. Inside of this bullish weekly candle, and with understanding market structure and price action, we know that price is respecting previous week lows, right? That is how we determine um, if price is still buying or if price is going to start selling. So we get here to this monthly structure, this weekly resistance. And once we are here, now it's time to analyze what is price doing. Are are we encountering bearish price action or are we encountering bullish price action? We want to see, with this being monthly structure and weekly resistance, we want to see price get here and start giving us bearish price action. If price was going to start selling here, we will want to see bearish price action. So with that being said, bearish price action is when price take highs and then immediately turn around, reverses, and attack and take the lows. Weekly structure, weekly higher low, and we are creating weekly higher highs. Now, let's scale in. Weekly structure. Now, we have daily structure. This is daily higher low, daily higher high. Swing to swing. As you can see, the Fibonacci is on that. Swing to swing. And now all of this is retracing inside of this bullish expansion. This is daily structure. Daily time frame is still bullish. We're just looking at the weekly time frame. Weekly time frame is still bullish based on structure. So get here, price pushes up, sells, um, creating a previous week high. This was previous week low, and price came down, pushed up after creating this previous week low inside of this daily candle here. We get here, remember, right here is the weekly high from the far left. Price came up, respected that weekly high, pushed down, selling and closing below this previous week low. And now price on the daily has gave us this bullish engulfing, a signal that the daily time frame has bought. So on the daily time frame, price is buying here. Now, what is price doing? So we scale in. Now, on the 8 hour, we got the daily swing, right? Daily swing high. Here we encountered 8 hour bearish manipulation. Price pushed up above. Price pushed up above this high. Immediately turned around and attacked that low. Bearish manipulation, bearish price action, and then that gave us 8 hour breaker structure here, which turned this into structure. Then price bought here, retracing, sold off again. That made this 8 hour structure. swing high to swing low. Price retraced again. And remember on the daily when price came up and respected that weekly high from the far left on the 8 hour. This is what price created, respecting that and selling off again, giving us this swing high to swing low, giving us this lower high and lower low. And as you can see, the Fibonacci is placed on this expansion. This is now 8 hour structure, and price, you would call this a 8 hour retracement inside of this expansion, this impulsive move. This is corrective, retracing inside of this impulsive move. And now we are here at previous day high. You see what current price action is doing here, coming into this resistance from this swing point. Now, what we should see price do now is give us that continuation to the downside. These are the 8 hour take profits. But again, this is um, another weekly low here that will now be targets because price is now what, since we seen this price action attack and disrespect the previous week low after price was respecting previous week lows. Now we want to see price come down and attack previous week lows. So we have one here. We have another previous week low here, which is the swing, or which is daily structure, the swing low of this current move. We have a weekly low here. We have another previous week low here, and another one there. Then we run into weekly structure here. And since this is a weekly structure, it's still a weekly low. And if price is targeting weekly lows, this is now a target. But again, this is still weekly structure. We're not going to forget about that. These are weekly lows that will be targeted in this bearish continuation. And see, monthly bearish, 8 hour bearish, weekly is still bullish due to structure. Daily time frame is still bullish due to structure, but we are encountering daily bearish retracement, daily bearish corrective price action. But you base the trend off of structure. So that's why weekly and daily is still bullish, because structure haven't been broken on the weekly and daily time frame. This is daily structure here. Now, we know that price bought here on the daily, giving us that bullish engulfing, correct? But on the 8 hour time frame, price, this is still 8 hour structure. Or the market encountered a lower high, lower low. Yes, price on the daily created a bullish engulfing, but this in a bearish sentiment can be what you would call a target. Price came down and created this low just so price can target it and take it. So you can see price action here on this 8 hour. This is what we are encountering. Swing high, swing low, retracement. And we want to see that continuation, attacking weekly lows. So here we go. You know what I mean? Again, for months, my analysis has been when price gets here, we want to see price start breaking down and selling off for that monthly continuation. You know, it's really nothing. You know what I'm saying? We can pop on anything. Is right here. Look, it's nothing. Price was here. What? Monthly bear structure, monthly, weekly resistance. Looking for price to start breaking down to sell off. You know what I'm saying? March 5th, this was posted. You know what I mean? It's nothing. This is what my analysis has been. And then it was just price action on just last week had me what you would say questioning what I've been seeing and been analyzing and been calling out. But we gonna be straight. You feel what I'm saying? We gonna be straight. And I mean, we gonna make it do what it do, baby. We gonna make it do what it do. You feel me? Nothing to it but to do it. And it's straight like that. No games being played. We ain't messing around. Not even a little bit. But we gonna keep reading this price action. We ain't gonna play no games. And of course, we ain't gonna play with you. Of course. Of course I just, you know what I'm saying? Of course I got in there. Trusting my analysis and trusting what I'm seeing in the market. Of course I sniped it twice right here. You know what I mean? Of course I sniped it twice. Why wouldn't I? Why wouldn't I? You feel me? So again, you heard it here first. You feel me? Snipe Goat, the candle reading guru.